In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for a Lloyds Bank business account online. We'll move step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to prepare. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Lloyds Bank website. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the genuine site by checking for a secure connection in the address bar. Starting on the right page keeps everything smooth and secure. Once the homepage loads, look for the log on option and choose business banking. This takes you into the business section, so all the links and forms are tailored to business customers rather than personal accounts. Next, select the option to register or apply for a business account. You'll be guided to the application area where you can begin the process for a new account. If you see different account types or features, that's normal. Just keep your focus on starting a new business account application. Before you dive in, review the requirements listed on the page. You'll typically need valid identification, your business details, and information about anyone who will approve or manage the account. It's a good idea to have key details ready, such as your trading name and address, how your business operates, and who's responsible for authorizing payments. Gathering this information now will help you complete the form without stopping midway. When you're ready, click Start Registration or Get Started to open the application. You'll be asked some eligibility questions first. Answer them carefully and honestly so Lloyds can confirm that their services match your business needs. From there, enter your business information, your personal details, and upload or provide verification documents as requested. Take your time with this section. Make sure names, addresses, and registration numbers match your official records. If you're asked for details about directors, partners, or signatories, ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Clear, legible documents help prevent delays, so check any photos or scans before you submit. After reviewing your entries, submit your application. At this stage, Lloyds will review the information you've provided to verify your identity, your business, and the people who can approve the account. Processing time can vary, and they may reach out if they need clarification or additional documents, so keep an eye on your messages and respond promptly. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation from Lloyds. Follow the instructions in that confirmation to begin using your business banking services, and you'll be all set to manage your company finances with confidence.